Smart manufacturing is an important trend in industrial field of smart factories. It is through digital network, intelligence, and other means to realize the intelligence of the factory and improve production efficiency and product quality. It also reduces production costs. So, what are the components of smart manufacturing? First of all, intelligent manufacturing needs the support of digital technology. Digital technology can be used through sensors, monitors, and other means, real-time monitoring of data in the production process. Second, intelligent manufacturing needs the support of network technology. Network technology can help companies realize different workshops, information sharing, and business collaboration between different departments, thereby improving the overall efficiency and execution ability of the enterprise. Finally, intelligent manufacturing requires the support of intelligent technology. Intelligent technology can be used by intelligent machines, smart sensors, and other means. Realize intelligent control and management of the production process, thereby improving production efficiency in product quality and reducing production costs. In short, smart manufacturing is through digitalization, improve production efficiency and product quality,